Realme GT 7 Pro. So this mobile is going to release in the month of November first week. So let's gonna talk about this mobile. First of all, starting with the display size, it comes with a 6.78 inches of 120Hz refresh display, and it is a HDR10 Plus supported 1-bit color supported display, which was protected by the Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2. And this mobile also a 10-bit panel which supports 1 billion colors, and this mobile comes with the peak brightness of 4500 nits. Yes, that's a huge. When we talk about the processor, this mobile comes with the latest upcoming Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite or 8 Gen 4 processor. It is a 3nm based octa-core 5G processor. This mobile comes with a lot of 5G bands, like 11 5G bands until. And when we talk about the cameras, this mobile comes in this mobile comes with a triple cameras at the back side. A 50 megapixels of main wide angle camera with the optical image stabilization, and a 50 megapixels of telescopic zoom camera, and a 8 megapixels of ultra wide angle camera. And for the front, it comes with a regular 16 megapixels of front facing selfie camera, which is a wide angle lens. When we talk about the memory variants, this mobile is available in different variants. Those are like 8GB RAM to 56GB base, and 12GB RAM to 56, 12GB RAM, 512GB. And there is also a news that this mobile might comes with a huge the maxed out variant, that is 24GB of RAM and 1TB internal storage. So we have to wait and see this mobile comes with this kind of a huge storage and memory variant. By the way, these are UFS 4.0 storage capacities along with the LPDDR5X RAM type, so we can expect a great performance from these mobiles. When we talk about this mobile probably the first mobile which comes in a flagship category with a huge battery, that is a 6500 mAh of battery, and it also supports 120 watts of fast charge through wire. Yes, that's insane amount of battery and fast charge. But there are some drawbacks in this mobile. That this mobile doesn't comes with any wireless charging feature or IP68 water and dust resistant feature also. So these are some drawbacks, as well as 3.5mm jack. It doesn't come with any 3.5mm jack like all the mobiles these days. When we talk about the multimedia, this mobile comes with the stereo speakers but no 3.5mm jack, and this mobile comes with a Bluetooth 5.4 and Wi-Fi 7 tri-band Wi-Fi support, NFC and all. This mobile comes with all the sensors like gyroscope, proximity sensor, accelerometer, everything. And when we talk about this mobile build quality, this is a complete glass and metal build. Frame is metal and front and back glasses. When we talk about this mobile box contents, yes, this mobile does come with a 120 watts of huge charger including the box of this mobile, with a Type-C to Type-C cable and a charger and a SIM ejector tool and some quick start guides and stuff like that. When we talk about this mobile's release date, it is November first week, and that means the next month first week. And when we talk about this mobile price, there are, until the news now, this mobile might come with the price tag of 48,000 rupees to 52,000 rupees budget, in that budget range. So if this mobile is in that budget, I think it can give a good competition to the iQOO 12. So these are the features of this mobile. By the way, this mobile is available in 3 colors. I will list the colors in the description box. You can check it out from there, as well as I will also list my other videos in the description box. You can also check it out from there. So that's it for the video. Hit the like button, and also the subscribe button is very important. So thanks for watching.